Top 5 Free AI Tools. Quick montage of AI-generated images turning into moving video clips. Ever imagine turning your static images into stunning motion videos completely free? Today we're diving into the top 5 free AI image-to-video generators that are not only powerful, but also unlimited. And the best part, you won't spend a single dollar. Cut to fast-paced visuals, futuristic backgrounds, neon effects. From cinematic animations to realistic motion effects, these tools will blow your mind. Stick around till the end, because number 1 is an absolute game changer. Let's get started with our video. The first AI tool on our list is called Magi.Sand.AI. Simply click on the link, then hit Create with Magi. After that, you'll see the sign up page. Just sign up quickly, and once you're in, you'll notice something cool. You get 500 free credits right away. With these credits, you can create quite a few videos for free. Now let's create one. Click on Create New Project. Then click the Upload option. Upload any image you want to turn into a video. Once the image is uploaded, press the plus button. Paste your prompt into the box. Select the duration of your video. Example, a 5-second video costs 50 credits. A 10-second video costs 100 credits. For now, I'll go with a 5-second video. Don't change any other settings, just click Generate. It usually takes about 4 minutes to process, so be a little patient. Once it's ready, click on your video and play it to check the result. See? That's an amazing output, especially considering it's completely free. To download it, just click on the download button at the top. Your video will start downloading instantly. Now let me show you another example. Simply delete the previous one. Upload a new image. This time I'm using a 16:9 ratio image. Again, click the plus button, paste your prompt, select 5 seconds and hit Generate. Within 4 minutes, the video will be ready. Look at that, such a next level result. Super impressive. And again, just hit the download button to save it. So you see, the first tool on our list is already this powerful. That definitely deserves a like and subscribe. Quick tip, if your credits run out, no worries. Just create a new account, and you'll get another 500 credits for free. Now let's move on to our second AI tool, which currently works only on mobile devices. This one is another image-to-video generator, and with a single account, you can create 20+ videos easily. The tool is called Grok AI. Once you launch it, you'll see the interface. Tap the Sign In button at the top. Log in with any Gmail account. After logging in, click on Imagine. You'll see lots of sample images there. To create your own, simply enter your image prompt. I've already generated a bunch of prompts using ChatGPT, so I'll just copy one and paste it here into Grok. Once you paste your prompt inside the app, within just a few seconds, it will start generating images for you. The more you scroll, the more new images will keep generating automatically. When you find an image you like, simply click on it. Now, if you want to convert that image into a video, you have two options. Click Make Video directly. The tool will automatically generate a video without needing any prompt. Or, if you want to add your own prompt for the video, click on the arrow icon, paste your prompt, and the video generation will begin. Within just 1 minute, your video will be ready. Let me show you. Our video is ready now. Let's play it. And here's the amazing thing, the tool also generates audio automatically to match the video. This makes it a fantastic AI tool, not only for turning images into videos, but also for generating images in the first place. Now what if you want to use an image directly from your phone's gallery? Super simple, just tap on this icon. Your gallery will open, select any image you want, click Make a Video, and the tool will start creating the video instantly. No prompt required, and no cost at all. Check this out, the result is so good, absolutely perfect. And the best part is, you can generate unlimited videos like this without any restrictions. Honestly, I personally love this tool. It delivers high-quality videos completely free, so definitely take advantage of it and include it in your YouTube content creation journey. Now it's time for the tool you've all been waiting for. Yes, the one that lets you generate unlimited videos without any restrictions, no sign-up required, and no watermark either. I worked really hard to find this tool just for you, so pay close attention. The third AI tool on our list is I-videomaker.ai. Important note, this tool doesn't work in India or Pakistan directly. To use it, you'll need a VPN. So install any VPN on your PC or phone, connect to a USA server, and then search on Google for I-videomaker.ai. Don't worry, make sure to join and check them out there. Once you're on the website, you'll see it clearly says, Free AI Video Maker, Unlimited, no sign up. From there it's very simple. Click on the image to video option, select any image you want, enter your video prompt, click Create Free AI Video. You'll get a quick human verification CAPTCHA, just tick it and the tool will begin working automatically. Normally it says video generation takes 3 minutes, but in reality it usually delivers in under 1 minute. And here it is, our video is ready. Let me show you the result. Isn't that awesome? That was awesome. The tool gave us a perfect video without missing any details. To download it, just click on the download icon at the top, and your video will start downloading instantly. Super easy. Now let's create another video. Go back by clicking the home option on the site. The main page will reload. Again, click on image to video, select an image, just like I'm doing now, and hit create. In just a short while your new video will be ready. And the best part, this tool has no usage limit. You can use it as much as you want. Check out this video. Pretty powerful, right? This tool definitely deserves a like, so go ahead and smash that button. I'll also download this one easily. You should definitely try this tool yourself. And don't forget to drop a thanks in the comments if you found it helpful. But hold on, there's one limitation here. This tool only gives us videos in 480p quality. So if you want full HD results, the next tool on our list is perfect for you. The fourth tool on our list is TwoMove AI. Head over to the website and click on Try for free. You'll see the interface. At the top it shows 0 credits, along with the login option. Click on that. You can log in using a temporary email or simply by choosing Continue with Google. Once you log in, you'll instantly receive 130 credits. Since each video costs 20 credits, you can easily create up to 6 videos per account. And the quality? Absolutely professional. This tool delivers high-quality outputs that look amazing. To create a video, click on the video generation option. Select your image, paste your prompt in the given section. Scroll down, you'll see options for 720p resolution and camera movements. Then hit generate. And believe it or not, within just 30 seconds the video is ready. Let's check it out, see how stunning that looks. If you're enjoying this so far, drop a nice comment for some motivation. To download, simply click the download icon at the top, and it'll start instantly. Now let me try another one. Upload a new image, paste the prompt, keep the same dolly out camera angle, then hit generate. Within 10-15 seconds, the next video is ready. Just look at this next level result, and TwoMove AI has more features too. You can generate audio, create text to video, and explore many more options. Definitely worth checking out. Now let's move to our fifth tool, Vheer AI. I've actually made a dedicated video about this one, but today we'll look at its image to video feature. Click the link and head over to the site. No account is needed here either. You can use it completely free and unlimited. You can create both images and videos without restrictions. To get started, click on image to video, then click on generate video from image. Upload an image, paste your prompt into the basic prompt section, keep all other settings as they are, and hit generate. In just 1-2 minutes, your video will be ready. Check it out. Looks good, right? Free and unlimited. What more could you ask for? That's it, guys. These were the 5 best AI tools for creating free unlimited image-to-video content. Try them out and see which one works best for you. And if you're new here, make sure to check out this other video where I explore even more fun and powerful AI tools. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and bye-bye.